Welcome to my channel. This is another episode of how I created 3D model using these two photos you are seeing here. This is JPG and this is PNG file. I use both of them to create this awesome logo, just like this. Good. Are you seeing it? I created this in After Effects, and this logo comes from these plugins comes from videocopilot.net. We call it Element 3D. Element 3D is a plugin that enables you to create a 3D logo, 3D object in After Effects. Let's get started. Now, first, I launch After Effects, as you can see it. Then what I will do now is I will bring in the two logos, this and this. Now drag it to After Effects. First of all, I will now bring the JPG file and use it to create a new composition by dragging it straight to this TV icon. Then I will bring in the PNG file on top of it. Then another thing is to turn this one off, go to layer, auto trace, leave the settings like this and click OK. Now what will I do? I need to create the element 3D so that we can make this object a 3D object. So I do that by going to layer, new, solid. I call it E3D. I now click OK. I go to Effect, Video Copilot, Element. As you can see, nothing happens. Then I will go to Custom Layers, toggle it down, Custom Text and Mask, toggle it down, go to Parts Layer 1. From none, I will select the PNG file, the one with auto trace. In other version of After Effects, you can see auto trace there, then you select it. Then I now scroll down, go to Custom Layer Map and select the JPG logo. Awesome. Then I go to Scene Setup. Nothing happens, as you can see, nothing happens here. Then I'll click on Extrude Bend. You see that? This is our 3D logo, but the texture is not here. So what will I do? I will click on this, go down to this tessellation, change the path resolution to extreme, change it back to extreme. After doing that, after changing it to extreme, you see that the model is now clean. As you can see, it's more clean than before. I'll go here and remove this grid so that we'll see space to work. So what I will do is, on this group folder, I will click on the extrude, toggle it down, click on the bevel. If I click on the bevel, I'll go down to this picture icon, click on diffuse channel, then I'll now locate the JPG file where I save it. This is the JPG file. I'll click OK and OK. Bam. As you can see, we have bring in the texture, but it's not aligned very well. So what will you do if the texture is not aligned very well? Let us fix the image I just imported by going down here, and now click use layer as UV. Enable. This is our logo. Did you see? We just made a logo for ourselves. Then click OK. Toggle this switch. Let us create camera so that we can manipulate this logo. We create camera by going to layer, new camera. There's a lot of presets on this camera depending on the one you are shooting, but I like using this 24mm, making it cinematic. And now say OK. Then these are the camera tools. When you click it, you will see so many camera tools here. This one will rotate it. Let me set the resolution to 30, depending on your graphics card. You see? Then another one is orbit around, the same. Then another one is track X and Y to go like this, go like that. Then the last one is what we call, track it. I'll use all these camera properties to camera tools to animate this 3D model. So you can also press key C on your keyboard to toggle between the camera tools. So this is how I made that awesome logo.